is Bonfire Night? I'll tell you. On the 5th of November, people across the UK celebrate Bonfire Night with fireworks, bonfires, sparklers, and Toffee Apples. The reason for this is because it's the anniversary of a failed attempt to blow up the Houses of Parliament. This was called the Gunpowder Plot. The lighting of bonfires is to remember this event. Traditionally, there would be a dummy man on top. This dummy man is called the Guy and represents a man who is part of the plot, called Guy Fawkes.